Please, draw me a sheep.
What?
Draw me a sheep. Did you fall from the sky?
Yes.
How funny that is.
Where have you come from, little one? Where's your home? Where do you mean to take my sheep?
On my planet, one had only to move one's chair a few steps to look again and again upon the setting sky, as often as one wished. One day I watched the sunset 43 times. You know, when one feels very sad, it is good to watch the sun go down.
So, on the day you saw the sun set 43 times, you were very sad?
How beautiful you are. Am I not? I know that I was born together with the sun. It is far too cold here, a most uncomfortable planet. Farewell. Farewell. I was foolish. Forgive me, and try to be happy. Don't drag it out so. It is unbearable. If you've decided to leave, then leave. I shall weep for you. Then you have gained nothing by it. I have gained because of the color of the wheat. I do not eat bread. The wheat fields say nothing to me, and that is sad. But you have hair of gold. The golden wheat shall remind me of you, and I shall love the whisper of the wind in the grain.
You're planning something, and you will not tell me.
Tonight you will look up at the stars. They will all become your friends, and then I shall give you a gift.
Ah, little one, how I love it when you laugh.
That is my gift. You will look up at the night sky, and out there will be one star where I live, where I'm laughing, and you will hear the stars laughing too, as though in place of stars I gave you a whole cascade of little laughing bells.